Hello everyone, my name is Newcopy Demon, as known as Jesse Sherman. Today I am unboxing a product from dubrec.com, which is a stylophone. This is not the Gen X1 unboxing, this is just a S1 model. But let's get into it, shall we? I'm going to open it up off camera. Oh, these scissors are bad, but oh well. Sorry headphone users, and whoop. And voila. And we're gonna actually open this like such. Oh, there we go. That's fine by me. That's loud. Okay. Oh. Okay. There's a lot of bubble wrap here. And that is the product right there. It says Stylophone, trademark, the original pocket synthesizer, and just pick up and play. So picking it up doesn't work because that's stupid. Okay, well, let's open it up, shall we, and actually see what's inside of said box. And I've opened it up. Oops, sorry. There we go. And da da da, voila! That is the S1 of the Stylophone, the original pocket synthesizer. Okay, and as you can see here, we have the history of said Stylophone. We're not going to read it out loud, and how it was made, and yeah, even David Bowie played on the Stylophone, so it's pretty good. Tells you what's actually there for the Stylophone, so that's pretty good. It's also got a few songs here, but I ain't going to play any of those. I'll play a song, but it's not on there. And there's the other products, the Gen X1, which looks nothing like said thing right there. And yeah, just safety stuff. But yeah, that's the booklet. You can read that later on. And comes with an aux cable, which is, yeah, it's pretty good because you can plug it into your speakers and stuff and get more of a volume. This has its own built-in speakers, so that's good. Oops, that was loud. Okay, and there's the product. Unfortunately, I can't just do this because I need to put batteries in it. It requires 3 AA's, so there's a screw, so let's go and do that. Ding 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 ding, like that. And yep, battery compartment. 1, 2, and 3. Voila. Yeah, let's just put the battery compartment back in. Perfect. Okay. Let's turn that on. And somebody tells me it's a bit loud, so let's turn it on and have a little listen to it. So this is what it sounds like. Okay, that's a bit too loud. Hold on, let me turn it down a bit. Okay, that's pretty good, and that's way up loud. I don't know why. I guess they packaged it quite loud, so it's pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna test a few more keys. So like. Yeah, sounds pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna play a tune. It's a very familiar one, everyone knows this. So let's go into it, shall we? Make sure I've got the keys right. Okay. And this is not exactly an easy thing to do, but I can do it. And there you go, that's Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. This item particularly cost only £20 plus $10 shipping. Well, let's put it this way, it cost nearly $50 for me because I'm from New Zealand. But overall, the item itself is high quality, and also there is, should really mention, there's 3 modes here. So we'll go to the first one. Wait, on. So you guys can actually hear. Yep, there's 1, 2, 3. So that's pretty good. And well, yeah, stylus is actually connected, which is pretty good. But the S2 model, I think, has a wireless stylus, so that's pretty good. Right here is the tuner, which means you can, change tune. So let's go here. Let's push this one. Okay, let's just change that. So let's turn that like that. Number 5 it was. Wait. Yep, see? It changes. Reason why it does that, because I'm not used to using the contacts, but that's okay. Don't know why that's still in the camera, but yeah, aux cable, which is very handy. It's actually pretty good. It's I would say it's worth your money. I'm not a professional stylophone player, but I will. Who knows? I'll probably leave one of those annotations in one of the corners for, like, someone who actually knows how to play it properly. If you want one of these, I will leave a link in the description to where you get them from. Also, hopefully when you do buy them, hopefully you enjoy it. Let me know if you do, because, well, it's quite cheap. It's not expensive. I mean, you're getting your money's worth. And what else can I say about this thing? Oh yeah, vibration mode, which is that thing right there. So when I push down 5, it sounds like that, but when I turn it on, it sounds pretty cool. So I can try to do this. I'm going to turn it down a bit. So let's do Tetris, sorry. So, oh, that's way too down, you can't hear anything. Damn it, on. Yeah, I'm pretty shit at playing this game. I'm pretty bad at playing the xylophone, in my opinion. But don't let that discourage you from buying it, because seriously, you could have a lot of fun with this if you know what you're doing. I've seen a lot of people play this. There's also one guy on Twitter that had over like 6 million views just for typing in free notes, and oh my god, that was unbelievable. But yeah, if you want one of these, I'll leave a link in the description. Subscribe to my channel for more reviews. I might even make a few more videos of me actually playing this. Who knows? Yeah, I make great content sometimes. Also, I'll leave a link to my friend's review whenever it comes out. And yeah, give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll catch you guys next time.